Welcome to Java FRM. Now I am going to show you how to connect Oracle database 19c which is running in my local Windows 11 machine to with the Node.js 16 long-term support version which I already installed in my machine. So let me show. So this is the Node.js 16 long-term support version which I already installed from zip-archive file, and it's also available in the Windows path. That is, it's already available in command line. Okay. Now let me go to one directory called JS program. So let me open the file called oracle19c.js. So this is the logic to connect Oracle database 19c. So it requires the Node.js package called oracledb. We need to download that package. So this program contains one connection string, that is database URL with username password. Using that only we are going to connect to database and fetch the records of person table and display in the console. Okay, simple logic only. And this is the Oracle database 19c which is running in my local Windows 11 machine. So I am connected as a common user called c#escort. So this is a person table. So using the simple logic only we are going to connect. So I am opening the terminal here. That is PowerShell is got open. So from PowerShell I am running. So node version. So I am checking the version, successful. npm version, that's package manager version, that's also successful. So now I am going to install the Node.js package called oracledb. So oracledb will be downloaded from the internet. That is from Node.js repository. This oracledb package will get downloaded and installed. So this is the oracledb package. So its version is 5.5.0, which is the latest release. So you can navigate the data structure when you get some free time. Okay, now let me run this program. Node oracle 19c.js. That's it. Yes. So I can able to connect to the Oracle database 19c, which is running in my local machine, and able to fetch the record from person table and display it in the console. So we need the Node.js package called oracledb in order to connect to Oracle database 19c.